In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag and the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and these are for the month of June. So if you are looking for some really nice summer products to try, this video is for you. Hey babies, welcome to my channel. My name is Kim. I do videos on beauty, fashion, and fitness, and if you're into that too, then please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you get notified each time I post a new video. Today's video is gonna cover a lot of products, so I'm gonna move through them a little bit quickly so you can see all of them. Thank you to Ipsy and Ipsy Studios for sending me these bags that are always so amazing to receive. I feel completely blessed to be part of Ipsy Studios. So moving right along, let's get right to the unboxing. Okay guys, so I changed my shirt. Yes, because my red shirt was clashing with my pink background. So I changed into this other cute little top, but that's all extra. And okay, moving right along. Now, the Ipsy Glam Bag has 5 mini products in it, and it's a great value. Read up more at the link below. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. The first thing that came in the Ipsy Glam Bag was Dew of the Gods Froze Mini Iced Rose Body Scrub, and it looks like this. Colorful packaging. Matches the theme, because the theme for June, the Ipsy theme, was show your colors. So that's really cool. And this is a body scrub. You scrub it all over. That's always good, right? Next is this tinted lip balm from Belle and Argent. I think that's how you say it. And this is in main character mauve. And the lipstick looks like this. Very pretty packaging. Well, it's not really a lipstick, it's a lip balm. It has a very light tint to it. It's kind of creamy-ish. I'm not sure if you guys can see it because it's really light. It doesn't smell like anything, but it looks really creamy. So that was another thing. Product number 3 is the Kombucha 100% AHA Exfoliating Power Toner from Youth to the People. And this is what that product looks like. It's a toner. It smells how you would expect it to smell. Next, we have a Hydro Grip Primer. And this is basically a hydrating primer that makes it so your makeup, it grips your makeup, so your makeup stays put, basically. This is the sample, and this is from Milk Makeup. And if you are familiar with Milk Makeup, I am, and I love them. They have some really, really good products. So I'm excited about this one. Next, there was a brush in there. Now, I'm not sure if this brush was supposed to be in the Glam Bag Plus or in the regular Glam Bag, but I am just featuring it right now. It's a brush by La Rouche. It's a tapered blending brush. Ipsy, I love the brushes you've been sending. Don't stop. They're amazing. They are amazing. That came in there. And then the last product that came in there was from Kaleido Cosmetics, and that was this one. That's the packaging. This is the eyeliner pen. Looks like a regular eyeliner pen, but let's check it out. Ooh, that's a thick line. Let's see. Oh, but you can do skinny lines too. Like really, when you press, the line gets thicker. And I love that it deposits the color right away, because a lot of these pencils don't do that and you constantly have to go over it. So those were the products from the Ipsy Glam Bag. As you can see, love, love, love them. This eyeliner, by the way, is waterproof, which is a must for summer, right? With all the heat and everything. Okay, moving right along, let's go to the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Next, we're going to be moving on to the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And how cute is this bag? It has popsicles on it. Really cute. Perfect for summer. let me show you guys what's in here. So the first item is from the brand Refreshments, and I've gotten this kit before, but there was stuff missing in it. So something in the mail went wrong. So I'm happy to say that today I got full pack, complete set. This is basically a razor blade with razors, which is a must for summer, right girl? So this is a razor blade set. It comes with the handle and the two blades, and I think this is a device to like pop the blades on and off, and I love this brand. These razors are amazing. They're so soft on your skin, they're not harsh, they leave your legs feeling smooth as silk. So Refreshments. Next, I received hyaluronic acid peptide serum from Dr. I think you say her name, Zenovia. I always say Zenovia, but I think it's Zenovia or I don't know. But Dr. Zenovia, she does stuff. I have to be honest. I received her PR and it is amazing. I have been using some of the products, including this one, and I use this every day. It's so smooth on your skin. It plumps your skin. It makes your skin feel really, really good. This is what it looks like. It's a hyaluronic acid serum. Put it on in the morning or at nighttime, and it just makes your skin come alive. And I just really, really love this brand. I have no bad things to say about her products, because I use them myself. The next product is from Hip Dot, and these always come in handy too. These are little sponges to apply makeup with, and these are the little ones, and these are ideal for like the inner corners of your eyes and those areas that are hard to get to. So for summer, we absolutely need these. Yes. The next item from a brand called Nena, Nena. It's a mineral eye cream. It revitalizes and refreshes. This is what the packaging looks like. This is what the eye cream looks like. Oh, this is a big bottle for an eye cream. I like that. Oh, it's a pump bottle. Okay. 1 to 2 times a day, gently massage a small amount under the eye and around crow's feet until absorbed. This is awesome. It's going to revitalize your eyes. Always good. And then we are at the last item, guys. And that is from the brand Ciate. We love Ciate. Oh, this is so pretty. This is so pretty. Look at that. So pretty, and these shades are perfect for summer. Yeah, so that is the last item. An extra little bonus that came with the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus was little mini ring light that goes on your phone. How cute is that? Oh, look how cute this is. It says Ipsy on there. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. There you go. And you just basically clip it on your phone. And so when you take a selfie, you could be like, hey. Okay, so that's good. And it's a light, so it lights up. It hasn't been charged yet, but there's a button on here where you can turn it on. Excellent. And it's not so big. It's nice and small. I like that. So those were the items that came in the Glam Bag Plus. Amazing, right? And yeah, make sure you check that link below this video if you are interested in getting these bags too, because they are fabulous. Now, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and check back again next week when I'll be back with another video. That's it for now. I hope you guys love the video. Have a great day.